I'm so glad to see you. Yes, I am. Hi everybody, my name is Teacher Rosanne and I'm talking about a new month for our calendar time today. Our month is called April and the year is still 2021 or 2021. The numbers in red are days wherein there are no classes. And these two numbers up here in black have already passed. We are going to figure out today what number comes after number 4, so we can place it right here. And then we are going to figure out what day it is. For our finale, we are going to say a statement that begins with today is. So, are you ready to join me? Yay! In order to count how many days have passed this month of April, let us use my magic back scratcher. This magic back scratcher only becomes long or longer than what you see right now if you shout out loud, Abracadabra! You cannot say abracadabra. You'll have to say it with feelings, okay? You're supposed to shout out loud and say, Abracadabra! Do you think you can do that? All right, here we go. I'm listening. My back scratcher is listening. Ready, get set, go! Oh my gosh! Oh, look at that. It turned long. Wonderful job, everyone. Now, let us count how many days have passed this month of April. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what comes after 4? 5. That's right. Can you show me 5 fingers? All in one hand. 5. Nice. And you know what? When I see my hand with my fingers outstretched like this and my palm showing, it makes me want to give you a high five. Let's do it, everybody. High five. Yes. Remember, a 5 is written this way. You're going to go down and then around and you stop. Then you will lift your finger up in the air and you're going to make that sleeping line going out to the right. Were you able to do it? Now, I'm going to write it with a black marker. Here we go. Watch. It's down, around, and out. I'm going to place number 5 in between the month April and the year 2021. And just like that, we have the date for today. Now, we have to figure out what the day is today. And in order to do that, I'm going to point to number 5 and make my finger go up, 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 up to a letter. And what letter do you see, my friends? It's the letter M. M. Say, That's the sound of M. Now, the letter M can be also found here. Do you know what day of the week it is? You do not? Oh, some of you do, but some of you don't. And you know what? That's perfectly okay. We are going to sing a short song called The Days of the Week so we can figure out what day this is. Sing along with me and point to the days of the week as well. Can you do that? Yay! I'm going to use this red ukulele now and let's sing together. Point to this day first and move down as we continue singing words. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, if you heard me say Sunday, Monday, this word has that sound we were looking for. Monday is today. Some of you have seen this before. This is my sliding card. This sliding card goes from up all the way down, and it tells us what day it was yesterday, what today is, and what tomorrow will be. So, since we know that today is Monday, we can figure out what happened yesterday and what tomorrow will be after one night of sleep. So here we go. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is, do you recall? Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. The final thing we're going to do is say the date and the day today. Can we do that together? Here we go. Today is April 5, 2021, and today is a Monday. Nicely done. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!